the saying, red sky in the morn, sailors warn. Well, I'm thinking red sky in the morn, sailors porn, windsurfers porn. Red sky in the morn, sailors warn is because there's dust particles being lifted from inland. There's a big blow coming, big blow. And I guess if you're a windsurfer, that's good, because you go down and get in a speed spot and you do it. Big dog Matty D said that to me down there last time. I said, oh well, maybe I'll see you in summer now, and he said, hey, spring Westerlies, dude.
The result, it actually probably worked out good for him. Prize, you know, notoriously a little bit more powerful than probably the Phantom, so it actually worked out. This one's got a loop or something.
Oh man, I think these plane clouds are actually speed surfers in the sky. I saw a vortex like that here at Budgie Boy one day. No shit, this guy went past me and he left this spinning vortex in the water like that, and it's just sat there. I think there was footage of it, but I've lost it on the hard drive. But yeah, I think we're actually like crabs in the mud looking at speed surfers leaving these vortexes. Either that, or it's windsurfers in heaven of making mad conditions for windsurfing 2025. Yeah. Look at this car just dropped in on me. I know the driver of this car. It's Sue. And Sue, it's like a lot of speed sailors that I know. She doesn't seem like a risk taker. She's driving very slow, and she just went 35 knots the other day at this place, and when I looked at the track that she did, it looked totally like animal. Oh, look at this bloke calling me. Hey, hey Sean.
What are you doing?
I'm chasing Sue here, fucking on the road. I'm heading into Budgie.
Oh, you're fucking not going sailing again, are you?
Nah, just have a look, and there's no surf, so we don't know if there's wind yet.
Yeah.
I'm pulling up next to her. She's taken off. Going to somewhere like Budgie Boy is like going to, as a surfer, 6 foot Kira would be, except back in like 1960. Bunch of friendly people there, maybe a couple of people visiting. Everyone knows each other. Everyone's very respectful of each other, and they all just enjoy. It's like a big inner animal party. Everyone just releases their inner animal, and it's all happy days. See, at this place, it's not just about grabbing the gust and going downwind, having the confidence and commitment just to do that. There's another level of it, because there's this much water. There's no water. Once you start going, it's you can't say no, I don't think. So it's like chasing the animal off the cliff. You don't want to, you want to fucking land when you come off the cliff. I think that's the idea. Yeah. You hit the ground below with your animal, and happy days.
There's my 16.5 peppy.
Oh, very good.
I might risk it today. I'll see how radical it gets. If it gets really radical, I'll put it in.
I just flew past everyone and didn't have the camera going, but they saw it. They definitely saw it. I was way down at the I was just down at 7th Avenue, and then I flew up here, eh? Wow, that was felt good! Woo! Dragonfly! You! I saw a dragonfly!
It's completely changed.
Yeah.
It's the same as before it's on and off.
Yeah.
But the ons are on. So it's just perfect.
Yeah.
You get flat water and then wind on it.
Yeah.
I got a 38.
Did you? Holy moly.
Like that way, just absolutely nuked like that. And then in the middle of it, there were people stood 200 metres away not going. Because the water's flat, because the wind hasn't been on it, you get that few seconds of flat water.
Woo! This is fun! There goes Andrew sanding it! Yeah, he said he got 38. Before he said he got 30 and I'd only done 15 at that point. So if he's done 38, I should have done like 25 at least. I don't know how fast I've gone. I've bared off that way. Just then I bared away, it was pretty gnarly. Let's see. Only 28. That's bad, man. I need to go faster than that. My harness lines, I think, were too far back. Front arm was killing me. Someone's going fast up there. This feels comfortable now. I tried to catch him in a jibe and got a face full of weed. Whoa! It got lifted and just the fin was in, and it was sort of getting crossed up, about to go over, and then it somehow corrected it. But yeah,
it's really scary going with those strong gusts and bearing off. You don't know when the real strong stuff comes in. That's why I go right down low.
Yeah.
Gusts are really strong. Like for me on a 5, it was scary. So it's got to be 25.
Sue was just giving me the survival stance. I'm ready. I'm going again. Oh, look at, oh, I think I might be the only one out here. Byron's about to come out. I thought, I know that. I don't think he won't not come out. I think it's windy enough. It's pretty flat. It's definitely not too choppy. This watch says that I've only gone 30 knots. I can't believe it. I had the wetsuit over it. Maybe that was slowing me down. So let's see if I go any faster. with the wetsuit there. Super windy. I got 30.7. I bet you these guys have got 40. That's bad. I might have to have a crack for speed, but I'm having a crack for some jibes. I reckon I got some good jibes done here, and probably a nautical mile from there right down to there. There's Sue's swans. Sue did 35 knots the other day, like an absolute animal, into a bloody flock of swans, and yep, no holding back. No problem, I can't get it off 30.7 knots. I just let some outhaul go, so I've let the sail bag out on the outhaul a bit. Let's see what happens. Oh, I think that might be it. I think the wind's gone, man. One good thing about handling this day, that Andrew should be gone. He wants his fangy fin back, but I think he'll be gone now, so I might get it for next time too. Jesus, light now, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of had a bit of a lull.
Beautiful though.
Oh.
Warm, it's like
I know.
hot tropical breeze.
Yeah, so you're okay on the fire today?
Oh, it's barely powered just now, but
Oh, yeah,
In the gust, I wish I had that.
really? Oh, this is just so underdone.
I can't get top speeds when I'm going.
I'm the same.
it's on and off. I nearly went in then, but
Oh, so did I.
Yeah.
I'd gone to the shore,
Yeah.
and then the big gust came in.
yeah.
Yeah, no, it's good.
You go, should I or shouldn't I? You
Huh.
know, like going.
It's super nice though, isn't it? Flat water. Yeah.
Good level.
Uh,
I looked last night, oh, that looks a bit windier than I.
Yeah.
I'll take the van to work and piss off early.
I had me mast base all the way back and harness lines different places, and it was mostly tail walking. I think it was a bit hectic.
Yeah, right.
Getting used to getting used to it.
Yeah, it's hard.
Boom line makes a big difference.
Yeah,
I kept moving mine up and up.
yeah,
I'm struggling to get in the harness the bastards that high.
yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to fight the board, trying to get some friggin'
yeah.
high.
Your mast base is pretty far back.
There's nothing left.
Nah, yeah, yeah,
That's how you should with these fins that are
yeah.
out of
Oh, that,
the centre of effort of these fins are way out.
is that,
Yeah.
is that a peppy?
What's this one? Yeah, Peppy.
Yeah, maybe I should go back because maybe
Yeah.
I could get a bit
Is
of
that a
speed.
Pep? Is that it?
Yeah, it's peppy.
That's Peppy? Yeah. No, I think I put it in about 4 sails ago and it hasn't come here.